our question is, within a list, find out the lower half, upper half median, and the whole median of the list, and maximum and minimum of the list, and interquartile range of the list. So first, in this code, we are taking import statistic to find out the median of the list. So first we import statistic module, import statistic. After that, we will create one function for the finding maximum and median, maximum and minimum. Maximum, to find maximum and minimum, we will create a function named find max min, and we will here pass the argument named data. In this data, if not within this function, if not data means if the list is empty, then return none and none, means for minimum and maximum in both case we will return the value none. After that, if value is here, then we will take we initialize the value, we initialize the maximum with the value of the first element of the list, data 0, and also minimum, initialize the minimum with data 0, means first elements of the list. Then we will travel through the elements using for loop. For num in data means if for num in data, if num maximum, num greater than maximum, means if our list is 1 2 3, then if num in data, within data, if num greater than maximum, our maximum is now data of 0, means maximum is 1. So if 1 greater than 1, num maximum store the num, but in this case 1 is not greater than 1, so this condition will not be satisfied. So let's check once again for num in 2, means now num is 2, so 2 is greater than 1, because still now maximum will not be updated, so now maximum is 1, and this condition is satisfied, 2 is greater than 1, so now maximum is 2, so store the value. Now maximum value is 2. After that, once again, now num is 3, so once again it will be checked, num greater than maximum, yes, means now num is 3 and maximum is 2, so 3 is greater than 2, so this condition is satisfied, so now maximum is 3. So our final, and here return the maximum, so in this case the maximum return value is 3, will be 3. After that, if this is for maximum and this condition is for the minimum, so for minimum case it's also check the similar pattern, 1 2 3. So our minimum is initialized with minimum equal to 1, because here we initialize with the first element of the list. After that, it will check if num greater lesser than minimum, means num means 1, less than 1, it's not true. So once again the num is now 2, so 2 is less than 1. This num is 2 and minimum is 1. This condition will fail, so this is not satisfied also. Once again the loop will be continue, and now num is 3 and 3 is greater than less than 1. Its condition will also be false. So finally our minimum value is equal to 1, and return the minimum value. Here it will be 1. This function we created for the maximum and minimum value. After that we will find the median and upper median and lower median of this list. For this we will create another function, this function named def calculate median function, and we will pass the same argument, the data list. And then for median, first we have to sort all the elements into the ascending order. So here we are using sort function to sort the data within this list. After that uh, we will calculate median function. For this, first overall median will take a variable, and within this variable we will store the median of the data. And here we are using statistic module, statistic dot median function. This function will return calculate the median of the data. In for calculating median, we will import the statistic function here, statistic module here. So from this line we will get our median value for this list. After that, for upper median and for lower median, so first we have to check the length of the median. Let's consider our, we will take, if we will take the same one, if the list is 1 2 3 4, so let's consider our list is even. So means if in this case our list length is 4, length is equal to 4, len value will calculate the length of the data, means length of the list, modulus 2 equal to 0, means if the length of the data length is divided by 2, this means it will the length, the list length is even. So here so lower half equal to data. Here the floor division will get will return the question value. So and this is we are using slicing. For this we are using slicing to cut the lower half value. So if we apply this line in this list, because it's also a even list, so our lower value will be 4, means data, if calculate length of data divided by 2, means 2 division 2, it will guess our question value. So 2 means here lower half will be 0 and 1. In 0 index our element is 1, and in 1 index our element is 2. So in this case we will return the list 1 2, and after that upper half, for upper half we will start the starting index condition, and after that we will give the colon, and there is no ending condition. So first 4 2 equal to 2. So starting index should be 2. In this case our starting index is, this is 0 index, this is 2, and this is 1, and this index will be 2. So in this case output should be 3 comma 4. Else, and this condition is for odd case. If our length is odd, then what should we do? Then our condition is, lower half condition is also the same. Let's take an example. Our list is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in this case our length is 5, so 5 2 equal to 2. So in first case we will get the output is 0 and 1, so 1 comma 2, and after that our upper half will be data divided by 2, means 2 5 division 2 equal to, it is also 2, so its starting index is 3, but this is our for even case, but in odd case we should add the 1, so 2 plus 1, because our this is the median, and upper half will be this and lower half will be this and upper half will be this. For this we will add 1 and then equal to 3. So our starting index will be index number 3. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So 4 comma 5, it will be our upper half. And then lower half median is, take a variable and store the lower half median using statistic module. So statistic dot median and lower half, this line will return us the median of the lower half, and this line will get us upper half of the median value, and then simply return all the value here. This will be our return part. Simply write original data is data, then overall median is overall median, and lower half, our half, upper half median, like that. After that we will calculate the interquartile range. For this we will create another function named def interquartile and pass the argument data, and within this function we will call the median, because first in this case interquartile uh, interquartile range equal to upper half median and minus lower half median. For this first we have to calculate the median of upper half and lower half. So median, calculate this function. This function will be called within the interquartile function median. This all equation will be called. So we will, from this, using this function we will calculate the lower half median and upper half median and store the value variable with the name of lower half and upper half median, and we will take and we will simply calculate the interquartile range. So here we will write IQR for storing this interquartile range within this variable, and simply return this variable. And then we will within the main function we will write our data list. In this data we will pass uh, this data. So we will given the data here, data sheet equal to 7, like that, and then for maximum and minimum value we will call the max min, find max min, and pass the argument data. Means we will call the value this function we are calling this function, and our output should be printed. So print max value and print min value. After that median is also same, median result should call the median function, calculate median data, and within the for loop we will traverse one by one and store them as a dictionary key pair, and then we will interquartile function, and this result will also be printed. So within main function we will simply call every function for printing our output. So let's run the program. Run. So this is our sorted list, and this is median, this is lower half, this is upper half median, and this is interquartile range, and this is maximum value and this is minimum value.